Hello guys, in today's video we're gonna talk about Wix, how to create a website for health and fitness apps business on Wix, easy and quick. So first type Wix on the search. So as we know, Wix website is a type of website that you can create easily using a platform called Wix. It helps you to find it helps you to build your own site without needing to know much about coding. Wix offers various tools to design, add content, and customize your site, making it accessible for people who aren't tech savvy. So first create a site. Now search for your business or website type, for example health and fitness, for example. So let's choose this. Now wait a few seconds to generate this site. Now enter your business name and type any business name you want here. Here if you want to add your business address, so let's click next here, click next. Here if you want to add some services, so click next. Here if you want to add email, and here if you want to manage, if you want to add something with your business, so let's click next. Now continue to dashboard. So now first thing, design your site here. Now how would you like to design your website? If you want to customize the design template, or if you want to let Wix create a site for you. So for example, I'm gonna choose this, pick a template here. If you want to choose any template here you want, so for example this. Now wait a few seconds. So here you can add some details about your site, for example health. So let's create site. Now creating text for your site. Now wait a few seconds. So now if you want to add a section on your website, click here and select any section from here you want. For example, testimonials, services, promotion, contact, team, and about. So that's it. Click testimonials here. Here if you want to add testimonial, for example this. So here if you want to move this section, if you want to move it down, for example like this, or if you want to move it up, so as you like here, if you want to move it down or up. So let's do a quick edit here. Here you can change the section background. Here if you want to edit your paragraph, this paragraph here, as you like. So that's it. Now let's move on to the next section. This is the text and image section. Here if you want to do a quick edit, you can change the section background, for example this. Here if you want to add background, for example this. So let's move on to the next section. This is the services section. You can do a quick edit also here. You can change the section background, the title, and the paragraph, and the button. Here if you want to add the title or the paragraph. So the same thing here if you want to change the image. So here if you want to search any photos here, and let's pick it. So let's move on next. If you want to edit this section, quick edit. Also here, if you want to change the section background, the column and background, the title, these titles here, the paragraphs. So that's it. If you want to add elements on your website, you can add it here. Any elements you want, image or button or strip or decorative, any shape, any type, any size you want on the button. For example here, also you can edit your buttons. Here if you want to add a section, and here if you want to manage your page and menu sections, here the site menu, you can add a page. Also here if you want to edit site design, here you can change the site theme. If you want to change the theme, click here, select any theme you want. So that's it. If you want to add apps, click here. Here you can search apps. So that's it. If you want to manage your business, here you can manage your business. Here you can manage your business, the Wix bookings, the form and the payments, the member area and the chat. Here if you want to add the member page, if you want to manage member pages, also here you can add member elements, the customize member profiles, create badges, and here if you want to manage members, here Wix chat. If you want to manage the Wix chat, go to the settings or input or open inbox, schedule chat hours. Here if you want to set up email notifications, and here if you want to create the chat automations. Here you can manage your media, upload your media. Here if you want to upload media, Facebook and Instagram, Google Drive. So that's it. The last thing here is this. If you want to easily manage your site content, here if you want to add a site. So that's it. Now after you complete the design and the editing of your website, all you have to do is click here publish, and you're gonna publish your website easy and quick. So that's it for today. If you like this video, don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe. I hope this video is helpful for you, and thanks for watching till the end, and see you in the next video.